Welcome to our channel. If your Fire Stick remote isn't working or you've lost it, follow these steps to control your device using the Amazon Fire TV mobile app as an alternative. Step 1. Download and install the Amazon Fire TV app on your smartphone or tablet. The app is available for free on both iOS App Store and Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 2. Ensure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire Stick. This is crucial for the app to detect and connect to your streaming device successfully. Step 3. Open the Fire TV app on your mobile device. It will automatically scan for available Fire TV devices on your network. Wait for your Fire Stick to appear in the list. Step 4. Select your Fire Stick from the list of available devices. If you have multiple Fire TV devices, choose the one you want to control based on its device name and room location. Step 5. A 4-digit code will appear on your TV screen. Enter this code in the Fire TV app to pair your phone with your Fire Stick. This security measure prevents unauthorized access to your device. Step 6. Once paired, the app will display a virtual remote control interface. You can now use your phone's touchscreen to navigate menus, select apps, and control playback using the on-screen buttons. Step 7. The app includes additional features like voice control, keyboard input for searches, and the ability to cast content from your phone to your Fire Stick for enhanced functionality and convenience. Step 8. Keep the Fire TV app installed even after getting a replacement remote. It's useful for typing searches more quickly and provides a backup control option for future emergencies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.